Hello viewers, this video is very important for those users who are using iPhones and they want to update to the latest version, that is iOS 17.4.1. A lot of iPhone users will be saved after watching this video. When I first received the update of 17.4, I updated to the latest version and I had no issue with that update. The screen was performing very well. I can play HDR videos and there was no issue. The cameras also improved after iOS 17.4 because I had some issue with the slow motion camera, so I thought I should definitely update to the latest version, and I updated, and after iOS 17.4 everything was going okay. Then I received another update, that is iOS 17.4.1. and I was tempted to update my iPhone 13 to the latest version, so I clicked on install button and I installed the latest version on my iPhone 13. On the day of updating to the latest version, I was very happy as the phone was performing well. But after the update, my iPhone 13 was becoming very hot, and the next day my iPhone 13 screen got black and only two tiny green lines are visible on the top of the display. In fact, the latest software version has damaged the hardware. Then I contacted Apple to get a pre-screen replacement, and the customer care executive were very kind enough to help me, and they took time for 3 days to let me know whether I should get the screen replacement free of cost or I have to bear the cost of replacing the screen. And the funny part is, the cost of replacing the screen is about 26,000 rupees if you replace this screen at the service center of authorized Apple. So after 3 days, the customer care executive informed me that as my iPhone 13 is out of warranty, they cannot replace the screen free of cost. I had to bear the cost of the components that has damaged, that is the screen.
Yeah, but on a paid basis, क्योंकि अभी आप फिक्स करेंगे तो आगे का वारंटी भी वही आपको 3 महीने का वारंटी मिलेगा, but वो पेड बेसिस में ही मिलेगा.
So in this way my iPhone 13 got black and now I have to bear the cost. So I am thinking to replace the screen at the local market, which will cost around 3 to 5,000 rupees, because I am not in a position or I am not willing to replace the screen at the service center by paying 26,000 rupees. So if you are using iPhone 13 series phones or any other iPhone and you want to update to the latest version, be 100% sure if your iPhone is within warranty, then in that case you will get replacement, otherwise you have to bear the cost. Or if you have already installed the 17.4.1, then I will suggest you to visit the service center and manually restore the iOS version on your iPhone to make it safer from getting damaged. Because in the course of my conversation with the customer care executive, I came to know that after each update some bugs actually existed in the iPhones, and that bugs actually corrupt the hardware. So it is highly advisable to get the latest software version from the Apple Service Center manually, because a lot of iPhones are getting infected with green line issue, black screen and yellow screen, and Apple is not recognizing this problem. They are not in a position to accept that this is because of the software update. They are telling that this is not possible after software update. Let me know in the comment sections below if you have faced these problems, so we will build a community and together we will ask Apple to replace the screen free of cost. In the coming days, I will replace this screen from the local store and post another video regarding the cost of the screen replacement. So if you want to see that video, stay tuned and stay subscribed. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.